Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have a video involving that thing behind me right there. I'm going to take you on a little stroll through my refrigerator and show you what's in my fridge. I just did some grocery shopping today, so it's full-ish. It's got about what it normally has in it, minus a few couple of things, but I figured I would show you. So I've seen these videos around, but I've never actually clicked on one of them, so I don't know what the format of a what's in my refrigerator video is. So I'm just gonna take my camera, hope for the best, and show you everything that's in my refrigerator. Some things are prepped, some things are not, some things I don't even know that are in there. It's not like I went through and cleaned out my fridge before I did this, but I did freshly go grocery shopping. So without further ado, here is what is in my refrigerator. All right, friends, welcome to my refrigerator. I've not watched a what's in my refrigerator video before. I don't know the proper structure of doing it, but I figured I would do it. I just went grocery shopping today, so things are restocked, but not completely prepped yet. But that's okay. We're just gonna go through and talk about what is in my fridge to the best of my ability. So we'll point some things out, see what we can do. All the way in the back there's barbecue sauce, light mayonnaise. I have two different bottles of rosé. One is sparkling and one is not. I have an old kombucha bottle that actually I've just cleaned up, and it has lemon water in it now that I have not finished consuming yet today. We have liquid egg whites. We have fresh salsa from the Jewel Osco deli section that needs to get used up. I had some leftover chipotle that, yes, it is $6.24 for the container. It's expensive, but it's good. I really like the pico de gallo style fresh salsa. Giant thing of strawberries that I just got from Sam's Club today. Simple Truth organic almond butter and sweet relish for when my husband makes tuna salad. Speaking of tuna, this is a ahi tuna steak that came frozen from a big package from Sam's Club, and I thawed it out because I'm gonna make it for dinner or lunch tomorrow. This is my wall of yogurt. I like to buy things that we eat a lot in bulk because it's obviously more cost effective, and my husband eats a lot of food. So when we find something we like and Sam's Club or Costco has it, I buy it there. It's more expensive up front, but in the long run it's a lot cheaper. So we have Oikos 000 in strawberry, peach, and mixed berry flavors. I love Oikos 000 lately because they are more calories. They're not even gonna be no, of course there's not gonna be nutrition information on this one. The ones that came in the package do not have nutrition information on them. Here we go. So this is one just that I bought from a single in a grocery store or something. They're 110, 120 calories depending on the one, but they have more protein than the Light and Fits, and they have fiber in them, which was the most oh yeah, my refrigerator's really not gonna like this video. So they have fiber built right in, which I thought was awesome. This is something I bought just today, and it is of course upside down. In the back there you can see my prepped celery and Kerrygold butter, because I keep some butter in the house now. This is prepared organic spaghetti squash, so it's already halved and cut up for you and ready to microwave, and it just has a little bit of butter on it. Yum. And a lot less work for me. Moving on, in the back there you can see kombucha. I buy kombucha in bulk as well. We've got a couple containers of egg whites because I just restocked on the egg whites from Sam's Club. Couple Premier Protein shakes in the cookies and cream, really good, highly recommend. And dill pickle spears. Oh look, another kombucha. I only drink half a bottle at a time, which is why there's one random bottle here, which you can't see exactly how much is left, but I drink about half of it at a time. And then for the first time ever today, because I had a coupon, I splurged and bought organic chicken. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but in the way that it came packaged, I don't know, the organic looked better, so I bought organic chicken. I never do that. And then in the deli drawer, let's see what we have here. Trader Joe's crumbled goat cheese, so good. This is not fat-free, but holy cow is it delicious. It's so good on salads and divine in eggs. One Clio bar, because I'm obsessed with Clio bars. I have these chicken skewers, Mediterranean chicken skewers from Costco that are amazing. They are so good. I actually have another container in the bottom drawer because my husband also likes them a lot and could go through like a whole package in a sitting if he really wanted to. What else do we have in here? We have this container of smoked salmon. I buy this large smoked salmon from Sam's Club and then I just keep it in one of my food storage containers. I have Gilbert's Aloha chicken sausage, which are really good. I had one the other day. Pineapple, ginger, and brown sugar. And what I really like about the Gilbert sausages is they're individually wrapped. So I don't have to cook a whole package at once. And I also have the bourbon apple one. The caprese ones are super tasty as well. I can't remember how many points they are. These are just Sargento light string cheeses. We have, of course, the Trader Joe's light mozzarella cheese. What else is back here? We've got fat-free feta cheese, 0 smart points, 1 points plus, I think. And then we have great value white American singles for when I want melty cheese on my breakfast sandwiches. Continuing down the hatch here, we have an open container of blueberries. How did that happen? Oh dear. There we go. Now it's a closed container of blueberries. You can't really see this part of the fridge, but we've got a giant thing of blueberries that I also have to wash and prep from Sam's Club. We've got some LaCroix back there, and then we have this beer, which I don't know. I don't drink beer. I don't like beer. My husband tried it at a party. He really likes the Lagunitas little something something. So the little something easy, he saw it at our alcohol store, Binny's, and decided to buy it apparently. This is a skinny mix, cosmopolitan mix, and I like all of my alcoholic beverages cold. And more egg whites, and that back there is an open standing bowl of baking soda to keep things smelling fresh. Then down here we have some prepped food. We have sliced up zucchini for roasting, little baby grape tomatoes, 2 things of carrots, broccoli that needs to get steamed, and an ear of corn. And then in the bottom, I have washed and ready to go kale, another thing of those Mediterranean chicken skewers, and a giant thing of just plain old grilled chicken from Costco to eat however we choose. Oh, and then we gotta do the sides, you guys. I apologize for whatever might be in here that I don't know about. This is Smirnoff Sorbet Light Raspberry Vodka, sugar-free syrup, 1 bottle of Suja Organic Juice, their green juice, lemon juice, and the Nixinga Red from Young Living, which is super tasty, and I only drink it 2 ounces at a time. Really, really good. Because I've been on a smoothie kick lately, we have almond milk from Sam's Club. Imagine that. This one's almost empty, so I'm almost moving on to number 2. Liquid chlorophyll, which is supposed to be really good for your insides. It's supposed to be really, really good for you. We have teriyaki marinade, another kombucha bottle with, I think, chlorophyll water in it. So I take, yes, chlorophyll water because it's green. I put just a teaspoon or 2 of the chlorophyll in the water. International Delight Cinnabon flavored creamer. And then when I don't want flavored creamer, which I'll be honest, that doesn't taste as good to me as it used to. So I'm thinking I'm really done with the flavored creamers. Let me know in the comments below what your die-hard flavored creamers are because I don't like the sugar-free ones anymore. And this one doesn't taste as good to me either. So maybe, am I over them or am I just not buying the right ones? Let me know. We have spray butter. We have fat-free half and half, which is what I normally use in my coffee. We have Panera poppy seed dressing, 2 little bottles of rosé. This is one of my new favorite finds. This is the Green Goddess salad dressing from Trader Joe's. So good. And this is sweet Thai chili sauce. Up here we have slices for sandwiches, dill pickles. We have sugar-free red jam, strawberry jam, Trader Joe's soyaki sauce, sugar-free barbecue sauce, 1, 2, 3 more, suja juices, mustard, another marinade. This one's lemon and herb. And then this I got in my GNC Pro box. It is pina colada flavored Bang, 0 calories, 300 milligrams of caffeine. Not sure if or when I'm going to drink that. And then up top we've got eggs. Moving on to the freezer, you're just gonna have to take my word for a lot of this. We have our completely malfunctioning ice maker. It likes to melt and then refreeze, so our ice is always one giant chunk. It's lovely, lovely. So up on top we have this crab meat from Trader Joe's, which is lovely. This is so good. It comes in packets, high protein, 0 smart points on freestyle. Really, really good. We have 2 containers of riced cauliflower, mahi, frozen mahi. This is going to be impossible to do the freezer, you guys, because it's so poorly lit. Mahi. And that other bag hiding right there is the Trader Joe's riced cauliflower fried rice. And then that is just a cool pack. Down here, we have 3 Trader Joe's Reduced Guilt macaroni and cheeses, 1 Healthy Choice steamer, and a Stouffer's classic lasagna. And then on top of that, we have the Trader Joe's gnocchi gorgonzola, which is amazing. And we have one of many ice creams, Ben & Jerry's Diet Peanut Butter Dough. And then we have slow churned cookies and cream. We have the Trader Joe's mini chicken cilantro wontons. And then down here is the shelf of frozen vegetables, and then in the back there is another slow churned ice cream. That's all that's on this thing, is a bunch of frozen vegetables. Moving our way down, we have on the side 2 things of Halo Top. I'm sorry, the lighting is getting real funky. And then down here, we have more frozen vegetables and chicken. So that's some chicken. Back there we have chili cow bars in the brown butter salted caramel flavor, another slow churned ice cream, riced cauliflower, fried cauliflower, the last little bit of my avocados, frozen berries that I just purchased from Trader Joe's for my smoothies, and then down here we have edamame, frozen kale for my smoothies, and I buy this fresh and I just freeze the bag. These are the ahi tuna steaks that I was telling you about that I bought at Sam's Club. I just pulled them out one at a time. They're individually wrapped. And then finally, we have venison cube steak that was hunted by my sister-in-law and then packed up so we can have it. And I just don't know how to pack how to cook cube steak. So we've had it in there for so long. We had some ground venison as well. Oh, and somewhere in the back there's 93% lean ground beef as well. So that is everything that is in my refrigerator. Happy day. And there you go, that was everything in my fridge. As you can see, generally I stick with the pretty healthy things. There's a couple of things that are a little questionable, but generally you can tell that how my husband and I eat based on what's in that refrigerator. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you would like to see what's behind that door right there. That is our makeshift pantry slash laundry room slash where our heater is, but we turned it into a pantry because we needed the food storage space. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.